Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Eufy maintenance kit for the Eufy S1 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum Cleaner. So here's everything that comes in the box. We get 2 brush rollers, 4 side brushes. Looks like we get 4 filters. That's awesome. And we also get a brush roller and the door. And we get these parts here. These are like little filters that go in the dirty water tank on the robot. We get 3 parts and we get 1, 2, 3 dust bags. There's what the dust bags look like. Now to change the dust bag, lift the clean water tank off, open this up. You're going to pull this little dot or this little tab here, and then you're going to pull the whole bag out and then put a new bag. Make sure you put it right in the track. Now to change out the side brushes, you're simply going to pull those off, and then a new one, you just pop it on, and there is a color coding for the side that you want. So the gray and the red for the brush roller. Pinch these tabs. It's going to come out like this. You can change it out. And then with the robot, I've got my robot off right now, but turn your robot on. You're going to press these tabs. The dirty water tank's going to come out. But when the robot is on and you move these tabs, it's going to lower the brush roller so that you can press that other tab and take the brush roller on and off. So I really do like this Eufy S1 Pro Omni Robot Vacuum Cleaner. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.